So this is the BMX trail. That's some mud puddles that I'm not going to run this car through because the camera is not in a waterproof case. So instead, we're going to try to scale that hill and see how it looks on video. Stephen Gilbert RC here, coming to you from Alum Creek Park South in Columbus, Ohio. We were going to hit the BMX trail over there, but there was a lot of mud and water, and the Yi camera is not in a waterproof case and the gimbal at the same time. So we're going to try to do some hill climb right behind here. The video should look good because it's really bumpy, and we're going to see how well the camera and the gimbal stabilizes everything. So here we go. Gimbal came off already.
Oh, already?
Yeah. We can stick it back on. That was just really bumpy for it. Oh, it just fell off for good. Shit.
Oh, man.
I think that's for good. Let me try this one more time. Nope, it's fucked. God damn, I didn't bring any more silicone.
That blows.
And it got muddy. Well, the gimbal fell off in like 0.25 seconds. Well, that sucks. We're going to try to just record this thing going up the hill. We're going to make Mr. Jasper here freehand it with this camera.
Oh god, so I have to climb up the hill now?
No, you just point the camera at it and keep it going. Let's try this again. Woo!
Okay. Maybe. Yeah, I did. Yep.
Jasper's first time on with an RC car.
Not my first time.
Oh, it's not?
Remember when Luma and I
Oh, yeah.
were out there with you?
Okay, first time with a real RC car.
All-wheel drive donuts! Oh.
Yeah, it's a little muddy out here. And there's my tripod. And there goes my tripod.
Oh, it didn't hit that hard.
I said, I don't think you could go through that.
Still too wet.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no. Dang.
You got it stuck.
When we get back to the house, I have to clean off this jacket because this is not my jacket.
Okay. Let's go back to the car.
Cheap.
So the car wouldn't shut off and I didn't know why. It's because this had melted together. So I just pulled it apart. That's why the cables are stretched. Man, that dusty motor shield didn't help very much, but whatever, it was worth it.